How to stop iCloud photos from downloading to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, scroll down and go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All beside Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud. And then, go to iCloud Photos. Over here, turn off the Sync This iPhone switch. When syncing is off, your photo library is included in your device backup. After that, scroll down to the end and turn off the Shared Albums switch. Tap on OK to confirm. Turning off shared albums will delete all shared photos from your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily stop iCloud photos from downloading to iPhone.